This one pan chicken and chorizo risotto is an absolute banger of a midweek recipe when you want something quick, easy to make, all in the one pot to save on washing up. The whole thing takes just over 20 minutes. So to start with, we're adding some reduced fat chorizo. That is a thing. You can get it in most supermarkets. If you can't get it, use the full fat kind, but the calories will be higher. And add it to a pan. You don't need any fat with this, like olive oil, because the fats from the chorizo will gently release and you should be able to cook in a non-stick pan with it fine. If you do need a little bit of oil or anything, just add a wee scoosh. Add in your garlic near the end, give it a further 30 seconds before adding in your chicken breast, and just cook that with some smoked paprika and seasoning just to get a little bit of colour on it. It doesn't need cooked all the way through at all because that will happen when we add the liquid. You just want to get some colour on that chicken. Now I'm using chicken breast for this just to keep the calories down. You could easily use chicken thighs if you wanted, if you're not that fussed by the calories and if you want them to be a little bit juicier, but chicken breast works just fine. Then once you've got some colour, we're going to add risotto or paella rice along with just over a litre of chicken stock. We're going to simmer this for about 18 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. You may need to add a touch more stock if it is all evaporated, so just keep an eye on it. But 18 to 20 minutes, that's what it needs.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Once your timer's done and your rice is cooked all the way through and most of the liquid has been absorbed, add in some fresh parsley and stir that through before plating it up. Hope you enjoy this recipe. It's best eaten fresh. It doesn't keep very well, so just get stuck in. And as always, if you want the full recipe, you can get it in the recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya.